Here's a solution to practice quiz 12. We're going to look at a conic section that has a focus at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. A center at 3, 1. A vertex at, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction. So notice focus to center, that's what we call C. That distance is 3. Center to vertex, that's what we call A. That's going to be 5. When is A bigger than C? Well, that's only in the ellipse category, right? The other vertex would be 5 up, 1, 2. So the other vertex point would actually be up there. The other focus point would be 3 down. That would be the other focus. And I guess if you know A and C, you should be able to find B. So I know this is 5 squared, B squared, 3 squared, 25 minus 9 is 16. B is going to be 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4 right. That takes care of sketching the graph. What about the equation? Well, notice this is going to be vertical. So I'm going to write y minus 1 squared plus x minus 3 squared. The center is the most important point there, equals 1. Well, a squared here, so that is 5 squared. B squared here, 4 squared. That's the equation. What about this? Consider the conic section given by this equation. Find the angle theta through which the axes must be rotated to eliminate the xy term. So remember, this is the b over a minus c equals tan 2 theta equation. That's what's going to eliminate the xy term. B is negative 6 root 3. A is 13. C is 7. So that's negative 6 root 3 over 6. So those cancel. Negative root 3 is what needs to equal tan of 2 theta. In other words, 2 theta is going to equal tan inverse of negative root 3. That's a reference angle, by the way. You might sort of remember. Down here is where you have a slope of negative root 3. It's going to be negative 60 degrees. So theta is going to equal negative 30 degrees. So we're down here. And on the second part, remember these rotation equations, we're going to need to know that cosine of negative 30 is the root 3 over 2, and sine of negative 30 is the negative 1/2. So the rotation equations are x equals root 3 over 2 x prime minus sine, so that's plus 1/2 y prime. Y prime equals 1/2 x prime. Well, that's got to be sine, so negative 1/2 plus root 3 over 2 y prime.